Today we are going to install the Forcepoint 50 series into the RM-FP-T1 from Rackmount.IT. You will need the Forcepoint appliance and the rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 6 Cat6 cables, 3 tie wraps, 2 bolts, front port labels, and installation instructions. Place your Forcepoint appliance on the rack and fix the appliance with the 2 provided bolts from the bottom and tighten them lightly. Once the screws are tight, the appliance is secured. Now secure the cable of the power supply with the tie wrap on the rack. Connect the cables from your Forcepoint to the connectors on the rack mount kit. Remove the front port labels and place it above the connectors on the front. Next, use 2 tie wraps to hold the cables together. You are done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Now we are ready to install the rack into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.